Today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Now just here you can see the vibration settings. You can turn on or turn off the vibration for incoming calls or on silent mode. Also here we got the silent mode switcher. We can turn off or turn on silent mode just by tap once on the switcher. Here we got the wall media, ringtone and notifications and alarms volume panel. We can change the volume of these settings just by swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side. Here we can also change the function for our volume buttons. Here on the right side of our device we can just change the media volume, or if you will just select the ringtone volume with our volume buttons, we'll change the ringtone volume. Here we can also set the ringtone and notification sounds, and here also we got the other more sound settings. We can enable the dial pad tones. For example, now just when we'll go to the phone app, we can hear the dial pad tones. We can turn off this option, at the same the touch sounds. Now we can hear the touch sounds of our screen. Also we can enable or disable all of these options by just tap once on each of switcher. For example, we can also enable or disable the lock screen sound, the vibration on touch, the screenshot sounds, the deletion sound. And also we here got the audio recorder settings and the real sound technology, so we can change the sounds from smart to the movies, game or to the music. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.